Good morning, welcome to G3 Astro. Today in our video we will look at the Cancer Ascendant and the 7th house Kaltatva of marriage, type of marriage and the timing of the event. The houses that are reckoned is Lagna Lord, 7th house Lord, Venus and Moon in the Rashi chart, Navamsha Lagna and the 7th house from the Navamsha Lagna. Navamsha Lagna plays a very important role in the quality of the marriage. Please do subscribe to my video and press the bell icon for early notifications. Now in this chart, we have the Cancer as the ascendant and Saturn is posted in Cancer. 7th Lord is posted in the ascendant aspecting the 7th house. Mars too is aspecting the 7th house. Saturn is first a malefic, then a 7th house lord. Therefore, he carries the malevolence with him. Mars too is a malefic planet. Therefore, it will show its malevolence in the parameters of marriage because it is aspecting the house of marriage. Venus and Moon are posted in the 8th house. Lagnadipati is posted in the 8th house conjoined with Venus, the Dharakaraka, and is aspected by Rahu. In the Navamsha Lagna is in the 3rd Amsha. Ketu and Mercury are posted in the Navamsha Lagna. 7th from the Navamsha Lagna, Rahu are posted. The Navamsha Lagna Rahu Ketu axis, therefore there will be disturbances in the quality of marriage during negative period. In the Rashi chart, due to the influence of two malefics on the 7th house, the native will have a delayed marriage. Now the type of marriage the native will have arranged light come arranged marriage, love come arranged marriage, as there is an indirect link between 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Let us look at the timing of the event. The native had the Saturn Dasha from 1994. Saturn is the 7th house lord posted in the Lagna. Therefore, he has to give marriage. The bhuktis that are favorable to give marriage is Venus Bhukti first, but it comes in 2001, 2004. The native would be only 24, 25, 26 years. The native would not have been settled. And we have already come to the conclusion that the native will have an late marriage. The next during 2001 and 2004, the transits were not being fulfilled. Neither the Jupiter nor the Saturn were fulfilling the transit requirements. Now, in 2005, when we had the Saturn Dasha Moon Bhukti in 2005, Moon is a good contender to give us marriage. He is the Lagna Lord. He is posted with the Dharakaraka Venus and he is posted in the 7th from the Navamsha Lagna. Therefore, Moon is a good contender to give us marriage during his birthday. Now, let us look at the transits during that time to see whether it was favorable. In June 2005, if you see the transit, Jupiter in transit is posted in Virgo, aspecting the 7th house. Saturn is posted in Cancer on the 7th Lord on the Lagna and is aspecting the 7th house, thereby fulfilling the dual transit. The native had a dasha which was favorable for marriage, Saturn dasha and Moon Bhukti. The transit and Jupiter aspecting the 7th house, thereby fulfilling the dual transit. I hope this video was useful to you. My next video will be on Leo Ascendant and the 7th house. Thank you for watching. Do like, share, subscribe. Follow me at G3 Astro. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.